This is Hammer and Hatchet Engineering, and I'm now trying to take these nuts off for the bottom of the engine mount, and it's taking me forever, so this is the next step. And I've read to undo these bolts, and then you take the front mount that's bolted to the engine, you lift up the engine, and then you take that mount off, which I will demonstrate. So this is, I forgot what part this is, so I'm doing these, and these are slow going, and I'll do the next video as soon as I get these off. Hammer and Hatchet over now. This is Hammer and Hatchet Engineering, and I'm trying to change out this stabilizer rod, the front engine mount, and the transmission mount. And so far, I've got everything loose, but it looks like you do have to remove all the hoses, which is just as well because I just looked at the top of my thermostat housing, and maybe it was a good thing I took that hose off. So I might be getting a new thermostat, I'm not sure yet, but let's see if shaking the engine now with the hoses disconnect, we'll at least get the stabilizer bar out. I have to put you on hold. I don't have my tripod. It's Hammer and Hatchet Engineering, and I finally got the engine stabilizer out. What an ordeal this had to be. You have to make sure that all the threads are in on both sides, and that took forever. This was still rusty. Then I had to take all the hoses off, all the front engine mounts loose, and then basically it says in the old manual you gotta wiggle your engine like that and pull that out. I finally got it out, so tomorrow I will work on the engine mounts. Hammer and Hatchet Engineering, over and out. Hammer and Hatchet Engineering, and I've taken off the front engine mount bracket bolts, and obviously I got the car lifted up on a floor jack with some blocks of wood underneath the thing, and I just got to go underneath the car and unbolt the mount, and then I should take it out as one whole thing. So stand by. Hammer and Hatchet Engineering, over and out. Looks like I gotta take these bolts out too. Right here. Next step. I had to jack up the engine some more, and now I can get this bracket out. They say you can take this out in one piece, but I'm not seeing that right now. Let's see. Get the engine mount out. Oh my God. It's kind of messed up. This is the new front engine mount for the MGTD. Compared to the old one. So yes, it was due. All right, next step is to install this. So I'm probably gonna have to jack the engine up quite a bit more. All right, stand by. This is Hammer and Hatchet Engineering, and you can see the two mounts. New one and the old one. The new one is quite or the old one's quite perished. And looks like I'm probably gonna have to jack up the engine a lot higher just to get the new one in. So let's see how this goes. Hammer and Hatchet Engineering, over and out.